Oh, the sun is shining. Do you know, it's been a long time since we've done a shop walk. We are here at SC Models to get a few bits. I need to get some bits. You need to get some bits. Let's go and have a look. I don't think you're allowed in here.
What was that?
Well, there's a sign.
So we've got massive stock here of Schumacher bits. I had issues with my
You've always
Classic.
got issues.
Yeah, I know. But the Cougar Classic let me down at the Popalong Vintage GP, so I need to get a few little upgrades. We're behind the till now. If we're really quiet, they might not notice us. But I am a massive Tamiya fan, and this is one of the largest stockists of Tamiya kits. Now, we've got quite a few of these on the channel. We've run the TTO 2s. We ran those against Mr. Kevin Talbot and the other YouTubers. We didn't really upgrade it. I think it was one of the Audis that we were running in the TTO 2 class. But my preferred car, if I was going to get a Tamiya touring car right now, is the TTO 1E. Only because it opens up other competitions, such as the Iconic Cup, which is one of our favourite competitions. And I still enjoy running my TTO 1, a bit of club racing. And let me see if they got one. I can't see it. It might be a bit further down. The truck racing on the TTO 1 chassis is just amazing. But we have got some new shells coming out from Tamiya, because I believe they've renewed the licensing with BMW, and that's why the new Mini is coming back, and I definitely need to get myself one of those. I'm not sure if they're going to do another release, but it's definitely coming out on the MB01 chassis, which we have featured on the channel before, but it would be nice to see it on maybe an MO5, because that, I'd snap it up straight away.
Do you know what? I recently built the Sandmaster. It's the only Tamiya buggy I've ever bought.
Sand Viper.
The Sand Viper. What did I say?
Sandmaster.
Is that what I said?
You did.
Well, I got it wrong then, didn't I?
Weren't it, that you had?
Oh yeah, no, it was. No, it's fine. It's fine. So the Sand Viper, yeah. And then we raced them, didn't we, over at Stockfold, which was quite good. They were right, but they're not really a competition race buggy. They do all the competition race stuff over there. And actually, a bit of an exclusive for you. They're gonna move premises. Did you know that?
I did know that. It's
gonna be a lot bigger, and they're thinking about putting a track upstairs, racing everything, like your touring cars, your buggies, your small cars, your big cars, just about everything. But yeah, I don't know what really my next purchase will be. I've always wanted a Wild Willie. I used to have a Wild Willie. As I've got older, not so much. More of a dormant Willie.
Now, if you have seen the video, we went over to a little club in MK. I say little club, Bletchley it is, and they run the Mini Z. So I think it's we did the little go-karts, Mini Z go-karts they were. But I actually really enjoyed the Mini Z racing. Some of the cars you can get in this class are like crazy money, but there are some really good, ready-to-run ones. However, they've just started doing buggies, so maybe we need to start looking at getting one of these. That is so nice. So this is the Mini Z buggy. I like the colour of it as well. So hopefully we will be taking this along to our friend Bob with an R and do some buggy Mini Z racing.
Nice.
It's all good.
You know I'm a little, ain't I?
You're little.
They got me steps out. I've just seen something. Look at this. Look, watch. Look. Brand new, that. Brand new. We've got to get a couple of these on the channel, because those are an entry-level touring car. Good for someone like you, mate, who's not very good. Listen, while I'm up, don't make me get down, because I've got bad knees. Cougar 2 Works Classic. We've got this one here.
Yeah.
The Cougar Classic.
The one a little bit further along is the one I want. Up there.
Pro Cat.
That's the one.
You want a Pro Cat? Yeah. You'll have to get the old Pro transmission in that. That's what I've heard. Aeroplanes. We need to get into aeroplanes.
No, we don't. I'll stop you there.
Nah. What are you saying now? We've got no money in the account.
I know, but I have actually been running an Egress. I'm actually booked in for the revival this year. The Egress is the car that we've been loaned on the channel. However, the one I want which is the Top Force. In fact, do you know what's better than the Top Force?
What?
This one over here. This is the Top Force Evo, and
Why
I
is
think
what's the difference between
it's an evolution of the Top Force. But look at that. We got all the carbon fibre bits in it. This is the car I think I need for the revival.
Hold on a minute, there's even more stuff down here.
That's a lovely looking shell.
That is nice, isn't it?
Nice.
Nice. Guys, that's seriously
nice as well.
stocked here. Got FTX here. Hey, you know what would be quite good? Is the old Nitro Banzai there. I think that'd be quite a good laugh, you know. Two of them just, what?
Think about the neighbours.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we going to run that where we're not going to upset people? I think that car, this week at MK, there was 3 of those running in the entry-level touring car races.
Yeah, we've got the MO5 here.
We have
TTO2R. These are quite a good chassis, aren't they?
These are. So this is, if you're interested in getting into racing, so they come with slightly better shocks.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the car that I ran at the Popalong Vintage GP. Obviously, I've done the Lightning Components conversion to my supercharged super hot shot, but that is again very nice kit.
Behind you, look, you're missing out all these, the old Ram Raider. We haven't got one of these, have we?
We haven't. Run on the same chassis as the, where is it?
The Carnage. The new Vantage is out, isn't it?
It is.
The new Vantage is out.
I'm not sure. I think that's not the new one.
No, that's the 2.0.
I think it's a brushless 2.0.
Yeah.
Which is the
So we have not got one of them yet, but hopefully we'll get one of those on the channel fairly soon.
This one here is one I've seen. It's truck. I like my truck racing, but this one's a little bit different because it's got 6
They're
wheels.
a bit greedy with the wheels on that one, ain't
They are.
they? What's all that about?
It's interesting.
I quite like the truck.
Built around the RC10 chassis.
I don't know about that. I'm not into that. I quite like the
J-Toe.
The J-Tech. We ain't got enough Traxxas stuff on the channel, have we? We just don't have it. What do you reckon here? This is my kind of section right here. This is my kind of section.
Recently on the channel you have built the RC10 team car, isn't it? Gold pan.
Yeah.
I think if I was to get an RC10, maybe the RC10 truck would be pretty cool. Saying that over here, YZ10 boss, the yoke. That looks like a proper old school YZ10, not like the one that you've been driving. But we're not going to talk about that here because that's got its own videos. That one, it's featured enough on the channel.
All right. What else we got here then? Radio gear.
You are a big fan of the old Futaba.
I do like the Futaba stuff. Yes, I do indeed. And this is a good entry level. The 3PV. Absolutely, I can vouch for that wholeheartedly. Cracking entry level there.
And this crepe as well is actually all right for entry level.
Crepe. What do they call it?
CREP.
Okay.
Oh, I'm a bit dyslexic. That's actually a 3 in it.
CR3P. You dafty.
So I've got me more bits of spares here for my Schumacher stuff. I do need to get some stuff off of here. However, if you've seen our video recently, we went to the Euro 40 Plus over at Hearts for some 1/8 buggy, and we've got ourselves a 1/8 buggy.
Well, we haven't got it.
Buggy.
We haven't got. We haven't got one yet, have we? I mean, that's. That looks nice.
That looks good.
We need to get involved.
We need to get
involved in it.
We need to get into e-buggy racing. I think maybe.
Oh, I built one of them. Built one of these for old RC Steve there. That was a nice build. Yeah, lovely build. That lovely car, retro. Yeah.
Do you know the Sand Viper that you mistakenly called a Sand
Master?
There it is.
Yeah.
So that's the Kyle show.
We did. We started off with those as well, didn't we?
In the early days.
Yeah, in the early days.
And
Ready Set Nitro. Yeah, all right.
It's tempting, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's this one?
NE3.
It's just another one.
Yeah. So we've got some HPI stuff here. Now, you're a bit of a fan of HPI.
I love the HPI. I've got the jump shot. I used to run a Blitz quite a lot, but I think if I was to get another one...
The old Vorza 4.6. It's a big block one, that one.
But you can get
It's a big block.
an electric version of that,
Big
which
block.
I think might be this one here. Let's have a little look. Yeah, there it is. Look at that. Nice, bit of brushless.
You know, the weird thing
Fucking
is,
amazing.
ever since we got back from the Euros, it's like divine intervention is kind of taking place here, and these 1/8 cars just keep falling out of the shelves, don't they? They keep falling out of the shelves.
What we're gonna
Interesting.
go with?
Anyway, there you go. We got our static models here. People love a bit of the old.
Oh no, have
Static
you seen
what?
Michelle?
Michelle.
Yeah.
What, my ex-girlfriend? She ain't in here. Don't tell me she's in here. Don't want her sniffing around. Nightmare she was. Oh,
need
the
to
shell.
get-
What do you need to get? What do you need to get?
I need to get a new one for my LMGT3 car.
Hey, look. Look. There's Sean over there.
He's the boss man.
He's the boss man. He's doing a few repairs there.
Yeah.
He's got his old soldering iron out. We'll leave him to it, shall we? He looks like he's busy. He's busy. Your paints, more paints. You've got your more paints. If you want a digger, you can have a digger. I wonder if it's got my old motorbike in here. Let me have a little look. I don't believe it. They've only got a model of my old Suzuki Katana GSX 1100S. Oh, I don't believe it. That is insane. That was the bike of its moment, that one there. People. Anyway, are we done now?
I think so. I need to go get my bits anyway.
Well, come on,
so,
man. All right. Well, look.
Actually, while we're here, shall we have a look at if we were to go down the e-buggy route? So have a look at the electric.
Come on. All right. So hypothetically speaking, if we was to get a 1/8 e-buggy, it looks like these are the sort of things that we're going to need, innit?
Yeah.
I mean, I know nothing about it. If anybody knows, point us in the right direction, will you? 'Cause I just don't know. I don't know. We know nothing. I feel like a schoolboy all over again.
Got to do all the learning all over again.
Oh no. That looks fun.
That looks fun.
So if you didn't know already, SC Model, they arrange some race nights. So we've got indoor raceway Stevenage, we've been there a few times. And then the new thing, which is the Carpet Legends here, and those are the dates of those which will be for touring cars, NTCs and fronties. So there you go. All good stuff. Go on then, make us a coffee.
Real spirit of coffee this. Now, you like your flat white, so I'm going to go with a white Americano.
Go on then. Go on then. Don't mess it up.
How do I mess it up? I've just got to put the cup in.
Well, you've got to press a button. You're useless at pressing buttons.
Push your buttons.
Yeah, well, who is that?